In the next Super Pops.
What is it, Topaz?
Hey, Majesty! What's the tea?
Oh, Gold Pop, you want some tea? Well, I have hot Earl Grey, or I also have iced tea.
No, she means like, what's happening, you know, in the world.
Oh.
I'm so bored. Masterminder is off the radar. I wonder if I can do some undercover surveillance on those super pops. Hot and cold tea. They both sound despicable. Who drinks tea anyways? I only drink hot cocoa. Ooh, that gives me an idea.
Well, we've all been working so hard lately that I thought it might be a nice treat that we do a spa day at my house. Like we could do manicures and pedicures and braid each other's hair.
That sounds like such a fun time. I cannot wait. I can totally use a face mask right now.
Yeah, and snacks. We need lots of snacks and ranch. Oh, Majesty, do you know what ranch is? Also, where is Gold Pop?
Oh, well, I did tell Cheshire and Gold Pop to please go by the store and pick up a few things before our spa party starts.
Kale chips, broccoli, green beans.
Okay, so we're at the supermarket. I'm thinking we should get chips and gummy worms. Oh, and chicken. Chicken.
I love all those things, Chad, but we want to feel centered and refreshed for spa night. So I was thinking, I don't know, maybe celery?
Celery? Are you nuts? Oh, speaking of nuts, we should totally get roasted nuts. Oh, and peanut butter and raisins to put on the celery.
Deal. Oh, I just got a text from Fiona. It just says ranch, 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 Gia.
What?
What
Pop
are you
mode?
doing here?
You're mine.
Let us go, Astra Orbit.
Oh man, I was really looking forward to spa night.
Too bad. Those silly little popsicles are going to be so sad when they realize their friends aren't even at the sleepover. Wait, what if they don't realize?
They're gonna realize, Astra, there's only a handful of us.
Especially Glow. She's going to be so upset when she realizes the ranch isn't there.
Oh yeah, she really loves her ranch.
Where are Cheshire and Gold Pop? I feel like they should have arrived by now.
And the snacks. How am I supposed to eat this vegetable platter without the main ingredient?
Main ingredient?
The ranch dressing? I'm just supposed to eat these vegetables plain?
Maybe they encountered a cute little pottery shop and they created a new vase line. Or maybe they're stargazing.
Very positive outlook, Topaz, but a bit unlikely since it is daylight after all, but right, I will try and reach them on their cell phones. That's strange. It went straight to voicemail. Celeste, can you please locate Cheshire and Gold Pop?
Scanning for Gold Pop. Located. Ring signals found in Shadyville.
Shadyville? That's my hometown! They just built an outdoor mall, super fire. Shadyville's really on the come up right now.
Celeste, can you show us a map? Maybe I can get a feel of its energy.
Oh.
What is it, Glow?
I don't know why Cheshire and Gold would go there. That seems really suspicious.
Totally not getting a good vibe.
Celeste, please teleport us to this location immediately. But without the robes and towels and vegetables. Alright, well, according to the reading, Gold Pop and Cheshire should be here.
Huh. Now, why in the world would they teleport us here? Maybe as a trick? Yeah. Come on out. You got us. Now let's go back to spa day. Hello? Nope, never mind, I was wrong. This place used to be a beautiful museum until an unfortunate bungler attack, and then it collapsed on itself. No one in their right mind would come here.
Bungler? Uh-oh. Do you think one of them could be behind this? The rest of the Super Pops are falling right into my plan. Soon I will have you all.
Creepy. Ugh.
Trap! You've been freaking out for the past hour trying to come up with a plan.
Yeah, are you sure you're a villain? Because you're very hot and cold.
Quiet, both of you. You sound like my mother. Hot and cold. Wait a minute. That gives me a brilliant idea. I'll be right back.
Cheshire, maybe we should be quiet before we give her any more ideas.
What? What did I say? What did I say?
I found it. The Dortle.
What kind of name is Dordle?
It's a door portal. Gold Pop. Again, so judgy. You're just like my mother. I hope they like extreme temperatures.
I feel a shift in the energy in the atmosphere right now.
What is it, Topaz?
Ooh, doors! Maybe Cheshire and Gold are behind them.
Or maybe it's a trap.
Either way, I think we should split up. Topaz Pop, you and I will go through the blue door, and Flower and Glow, you head towards the red door, but be careful because I'm feeling a high temperature through that one.
Well, the heat doesn't bother me anyway, so I'll protect Flower Pop.
I hate the heat.
She does.
Why? Always the desert. Always.
You guys ready?
No.
Let's do this.
Sending all the good vibes.
It's so hot. The one day I wear a turtleneck. Why? Is it too late to go back with Majesty and Topaz? Because I think that would be better for me.
I think so because look, the door is gone.
Oh, no. Well, does anybody have at least some sunscreen or desert repellent or water? I always forget to bring water.
Why would I have sunscreen? I control the sun, you know.
Why?
What is that over there?
I don't know, but maybe we need it to find Cheshire and Gold.
Or maybe not.
Aww.
The air is telling me I should have brought a jacket. Majesty, aren't you cold?
Well, not really. I guess Avalonians have really good body temperature control.
Avalono what?
Avalonians? Oh, right, I haven't told you, but Cheshire and I are aliens from the planet Avalonia. And, here you go. There you are.
Thank you, Majesty.
Why on earth did they send us to this frozen town? I don't see Flower or Gold anywhere.
Maybe that over there has some answers? I'm not picking up any weird energy from it.
Right, well, it is rather chilly and maybe it offers some sort of clue. Oh no! It was a cursed item! And I have ice powers?
I say we pick up the item.
I say you pick up the item. You know, because we're in the desert and it's hot and the heat doesn't bother you anyway.
Okay, here goes nothing.
What's going on? It's no longer hot. I'm wearing a tank top. What happened to my green outfit? What is going on?
Oh, you look so cute! And I feel even more fiery! Oh, yes! I like that!
They fell for it. They become avatars of fire and ice.
What did you do to them? And can you do it to me? I could really use a new outfit.
Cheshire?
No can do. It's time for the next phase of my plan.
What? An ice cell? I wish I had a jacket.
Ah! Hot! Hot!
Whoa! Where did the pyramids go?
And the little creepy dragon dude.
Yeah, he was scary.
I
Do you think
know,
you can
look
call
at it.
Majesty?
Oh yeah, I should tell him. Majesty! I don't know where we are, but I have these cute little, heat powers. They're
She's
small,
red
but-
too!
Oh yeah.
Well, we did turn a bit icy.
Majesty turned blue.
Right, I guess you could say I'm cool now.
Yes, Majesty! Ice Queen! I love that for you.
I love that journey.
Ice and fire. Ooh!
Fire and ice.
I don't know about you guys, but we found a magical item and it made us more icy?
It appears that we're now total opposites of each other. Like you're hot and we're cold. But I still can't figure out who brought us here.
Hello, Pops. Miss me?
Who are you?
Oh, that's right. Wasn't her name Atomic Octopus?
No, I think her name was Astra Nomical?
It's Astra Orbit. And remember that name because I am the girl who captured the Super Pops.
You have gold in Cheshire?
I sure do. And they are super annoying.
Hi, Majesty! She trapped me in a sauna. It's really hot. Oh, and also, Astra ate all the snacks, so no snacks.
Oh no! Wait, where's Gold Pop? Is she okay?
I'm cold, but fine. She trapped me in an ice prison. Just defeat her so we can continue our spotty, please.
Hey, let them go.
Oh, I will let them go.
Really? Thank you. I guess if you ask, then you shall receive.
I will let them go if you complete the hot versus cold challenge I set up for you. And that's a big if.
Okay, why would we do that instead of just leaving this room and kicking your butt?
Yeah.
Because first of all, that room is powerproof. And if you try, I'll turn those Super Pops into popsicles.
Okay, we'll play your game, Astra. But if we win, you have to let us all go.
Yeah.
And if you lose, you will all become my henchmen and help me rule the world. And Masterminder will have nothing on me.
Deal.
Are you sure about this, Majesty?
Don't worry, Topaz. We've outsmarted smarter bunglers, believe me.
Both teams need to complete 4 rounds each. And I'm being nice. I'm giving you 7 rounds.
Gee, thanks.
Thank me later. If you do manage to win 4 rounds, then you'll get the chance to possibly save your friends later.
What do you mean possibly? What did you mean possibly?
I don't know, I still don't even know her name.
Let's get started.
All right, Topaz. I guess whatever we get placed in front of us, we have to use our cold freezing powers
Okay.
on it and see if it works out for us.
Bring on the first round.
Oh, it looks like ramen. I love ramen. So this should be a great round. We just have to, use our powers and eat the ramen. But
It should be warm though, right?
yeah, normally ramen is cooked with heat. And we have freezing powers. I guess we'll try them out.
Here we go. Ooh, this is fun.
I'm a little bit worried. It looks very, very chilly and
Let's do this, Majesty.
Oh no! Oh no! It's frozen to the bowl. It's like a solid ramen ice cube. It's literally a ramen ice cube. A ramen sickle?
We can't eat this. I'll break my teeth.
Well, if we can't eat it, then we lose a point and lose the round. Keva, a ramen popsicle? All right. Topaz, I think we unfortunately lost this round. At least we have 6 more chances, right?
Okay, round 1 by Astra Orbit.
I know, I'm so nervous. Why do we have to be the hot
It's okay. We're hot because I have the power of the sun and you have sparks now.
Sparks now.
Ooh, it's so cute. Okay, we got this. We're gonna save Cheshire and Gold. Okay, this is round 1 of how many, Astra? Okay, we're gonna do this task and we're gonna try to eat the hot food and see if we can eat it. So, let's go, I guess.
Okay, well, we only have to win 4 rounds, right? So that's easy, right? Just 4.
Bring it on, Astra. Woo! is this?
Ooh, it looks like ramen.
Oh!
I love ramen.
I do too. It smells good. Do you think it's spicy?
It looks spicy. I'm excited. Let's find out.
Okay.
But I hope it's not too spicy.
Here we go, Astra Orbit.
Danger noodle. Hope you're not too dangerous. Let's see. You look familiar, so. Oh. Most spicy. Water.
Very hot.
I never bring water. Aqua.
I feel like I'm gonna, the sun is gonna explode out of me.
Am I breathing fire?
Deep breaths. Actually, after the 5th degree burn on your tongue, it feels kind of nice.
Yeah, actually, I really like it. It's really good.
So, I think we won this round. Okay. Oh, yay! We did it! Good job! My little fire queen. I really like you looking red.
Me too. Let's see what's next.
Pizza! I love pizza!
Yes, it's a personal pizza just for me.
Wait, Topaz, don't eat it. Remember, we have to use our new powers.
Oh, right.
Which happen to be freezing powers.
Okay.
No, on a pizza.
Oh,
All right.
you're right.
Ready? Here we
Let's
go.
see.
Normally I go for pineapple, not icicles as a topping on a pizza.
Hey.
And ta-da! Wait a minute. It's like a frozen pizza.
Oh, we can't eat that either. It's too hard.
Do you want to try? Here, take a big bite.
Oh.
It's like,
Ow!
do you still have your tooth? It's like a big frozen pizza. Well, Topaz, we can't eat it, but it would make a good frisbee. What do you think?
I love that idea, but I don't think that would count. Do we win? Oh.
All right, bring it on, bungler. Let's go. Next round. Oh, pizza!
Oh, cold pizza.
Yeah, it's super frozen right now.
Super cold. Let's heat it up.
Okay.
Wait. I'm gonna try.
Oh, do you want to
I'm
do it
gonna-
together?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
You use both hands, I'll use one hand. That way you're doing double the work.
All right.
Ready? You ready, love?
1, 2, 3.
I think I need a little more heat.
Come on, little sparks. Come on, little new powers. You can do it. Oh no.
I think we may have burnt the pizza.
I'm still learning how to use these powers. This doesn't count.
Burnt pizza! No! This isn't going well at all. We're doomed. We're doomed.
Cheshire? Oh no. Are the other Super Pops gonna save us? Make sure to watch part 2 to find out. Oh, I need a jacket.